I guess we'll start it on some of the features of what a pest control technician needs in the field right now, Ray, with limited volumes that we're getting into. I know that you're exposed to a lot of that going on.
Well, there's no doubt about it, Michael. It's very important that you use the correct amount of material for the designated area. And one of the problems, and the thing that's been problematic forever, is that you can't see through the container. So a translucent container like this that will allow you to see the volume that you've dispensed and then measure it in either liters or ounces is a very important piece of a feature for a piece of equipment used in the field today.
Yeah, and you know, with that being said, I'm just going to follow your lead. And quite a while ago, we put together a tool called a MeasureRight, and I think there's one at your feet.
Probably the best device ever made for the technician to measure accurately the amount of material that's going to be dispensed into the solution. So basically, if you're reading labels nowadays, they all get down to very, very small amounts of material, milliliters. So if it takes 5 milliliters, that's a very difficult amount of material to measure. But with the MeasureRight, you can simply drop the little tube into the container.
Into a concentrate, like I'll just hold Profoam Platinum here for
Imagine
a second.
that, and then just pull up on the syringe and pull up to 10 milliliters there. Now you've got 10 milliliters. Dispense that back into your spray solution tank, and you've got an accurate measurement. So the combination of the MeasureRight and the ability to see how much solution you have is the key part of having accuracy in application into volumes.
And then the other material that is over, you'll notice that the tube holds the other amount.
I see that.
So what we've done is we've dispensed the 20 mils that's inside the system, and the other amount that's here is still contained in the tube itself. And then we can push it and take that top off.
All right.
Yeah.
I understand. Concentrate back into the concentrate bottle.
Exactly. And then that's
and off you go.
And then off we go.
The important thing is that you can actually pull the correct amount of concentrate on each of your jobs. So when you go there, you know you have the confidence that you have the concentrate in the material, and that the material that you dispensed was what was necessary to complete that work.
Every time anybody gets a MeasureRight, Raymond, it also comes with a chart.
This conversion chart from ounces to milliliters.
Exactly.
Well, that's critical today because most labels are in milliliters, and that's not what we use. We use a lot of ounces in the United States, so it's nice to have a conversion chart here.
The technician can utilize the system over and over again. So if he gets dedicated, then what ends up happening is he can write on the label here that he's using it for any one of the multiple products that are available in the field today. And on these MeasureRights, we suggest putting some labels on it because we really do need to make sure that we don't cross-contaminate from one chemical, whether
Today's chemistry, Michael, uses repellents and non-repellents, and you certainly want to be careful about what you're mixing together. So having separate ones for separate materials is a wise idea.
I think we've summed it up right there. MeasureRight, just another one of the tools for our industry.